Hello friends, let us continue with solid liquids and gases. In part 2, we are going to study about air, properties of air, air rises from heating, sea and land breezes, monsoon breeze, role of ventilators in closed space. Let us study first about air. Air is a mixture of gases. Mixture of gases means it includes all the types of gases which are present. It consists of 78% of nitrogen. Rest, it comprises of other gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, helium. Water vapor is also present in the air. The amount of water vapor present in the air at a particular time is called humidity. Amount of water vapor present in the air at a particular time is called humidity. Air also contains dust particles and smoke. Let us talk about properties of air. Air occupies space. Air exerts pressure. Air is needed for burning. And air has weight. The property of air is that it occupies space. It is needed for burning, it exerts pressure, and it has weight. Now, air also rises on heating. Wind is an air in motion. It is produced by uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. Since the Earth's surface is made up of various land and water formation, it absorbs the sun's radiation unevenly. Two factors are necessary to specify wind: speed and direction. So, sun's heat causes the air to become warm. As the warm air is lighter, it starts rising up. The cooler air, being heavier than the warmer air, starts moving to take its place. So, wind formation is taking place where the earth is unevenly heated by the sun due to the curved state of the earth. Warmer air expands and becomes less dense than the colder air. Air pressure is lower where the air is heated and formation of wind takes place. So, the moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called breeze. A strong wind is called a gale. A very strong and powerful wind with rain is called storm. A storm that occurs with thunder and lightning is called thunderstorm. Wind affects the weather of a place. Let us study about sea breeze. During daytime, land heats up faster than the land, and so does the air above the land. Since warm air is lighter, the air above the land rises. The cooler and heavier air above the sea rushes over the land to fill up the space. So the cooler air that moves from sea towards the land during the daytime is called sea breeze. And during the night, that is the land breeze, land heats down faster than sea. Since the sea is warmer on the land at night, the air above the sea also remains warm. The warm air is lighter and rises. The cooler and heavier air above the land moves towards the sea to fill up the space. The cooler air that moves from land towards the sea during the night is called land breeze. In places near the equator, during summer, the land moves up faster than the sea or ocean due to direct rays of sun. Since the temperature of the land is more than the sea or ocean, the air above it also gets heated up. We know that all that warm air rises up, so the warm air above the land rises, and the moisture-laden cold wind from the sea moves towards the land to take the place of the rising warm air. The moisture-laden air that moves from the sea towards the land during summer, it is called monsoon breeze or monsoon wind. These monsoon winds bring rain. In India, we get rain, that is the rainy season or during the rainy season. To these winds, we get rain in India. Winter season, the rivers have the land cools faster than the sea. So, the cool, heavy and dry air above the land travels towards the sea, and while hot air above the sea rises up, so the air that blows over the land in winter in dry monsoon wind. Hence, more rainfall occurs by these winds. Now, the role of ventilation in a closed space. Ventilation is especially required for commercial and industrial spaces to control the indoor air quality by diluting the displacing indoor pollutants. Ventilation can also be used to control the temperature, humidity, and air motion. The ventilators and exhaust fans are generally located at the top portion of the wall of rooms. This is because the air that we breathe out is warmer, impure, as it is rich in carbon dioxide. So it rises up and goes out through the ventilators. Fresh air from outside that enters into the room through windows. Thus, we should keep our windows open and let fresh air and sunlight come in. Air pollutants, unwanted smell of cooking, and foul smell also escape through ventilation. If you do not have adequate airflow in your home, then moisture will collect and dampen your walls, wood furniture, and other essential items of your home. Moths can also grow and cause health hazards. Let's keep your home fresh, dry, airy. In our homes and also in factories, chimneys and exhaust fans are used to assist in throwing out smoke and foul air out so that fresh air can enter from outside and take its place. Module, we studied about air, properties of air rises on heating, sea and land breeze, monsoon breeze, role of ventilators in closed space. Hope you liked my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.